Joshua 8. Victory restored at Ai. The Lord said to Joshua, "Do not fear and do not be dismayed. Take all the fighting men with you and arise, go up to Ai. Say, I have given into your hand the king of Ai and his people, his city and his land. You shall do to Ai and its king as you did to Jericho and its king. Except its spoil and its livestock, you shall take as plunder for yourselves." Joshua laid an ambush behind the city. He chose 30,000 mighty men of valor and sent them out by night. He commanded them to lie in ambush behind the city, not very far from it. Joshua and all the people who were with him approached the city. The men of Ai came out against Israel, and they fled before them. The men of Ai were drawn away from the city. Then the Lord said to Joshua, "Stretch out the javelin that is in your hand toward Ai, for I will give it into your hand." Joshua stretched out the javelin. The men in the ambush rose quickly and entered the city and set it on fire. When the men of Ai looked back, they saw the smoke of the city rising to heaven. The people of Israel turned back and struck them. So Israel defeated Ai. Joshua hanged the king of Ai on a tree until evening. Joshua built an altar on Mount Ebal and wrote a copy of the law of Moses on stones. He read all the words of the law, the blessing and the curse, according to all that is written in the book of the law. There was not a word that Moses commanded that Joshua did not read before all the assembly of Israel. Next comes Joshua 9, where Israel is deceived by the Gibeonites.